Hi everyone, this is Swati Sundari, Assistant Professor of Mathematics from VV Vanniyaperumal College for Women, Virudhunagar. Today we are going to see the topic under time and distance. We all know that this topic is one of the most common quantitative aptitude topics asked in the government exams. So the concept of speed, time, distance remains the same. However, the type of questions asked in the examinations may have a different variety or different types. So in this video, we wanna know the tricks for speed, distance and time with some problems. So before gonna solving the problems, we should know the relationship between speed, time and distance. So, the speed formula is distance divided by time. This tells us how slow or fast an object moves. It describes the distance traveled, which is divided by the time taken to cover the distance. And speed is directly proportional to the distance and inversely proportional to the time. And hence, time is equal to distance divided by speed. Here, speed increases, the time taken will decreases and vice versa. And another formula is distance, which is equal to speed and time. Here, distance is directly proportional to speed and time. And using these formulae, any basic problems can be solved. However, the correct usage of units is also an important thing to consider while using formulae. So let's see the units of speed, time and distance. Each speed, distance and time can be expressed in different units such as time expressed as seconds, minutes and hours, and distance expressed meters, kilometers, miles and feet. And speed is expressed in two varieties, that are meter per second and kilometer per hour. Sometimes it going to be take meter per minute or kilometer per minute. So, if distance in kilometer and time is in hour, then the unit of speed will be kilometer per hour. Now that the units of speed, time and distance is clear. So, these are the two formulae for used to convert kilometer per hour into meter per second and meter per second into kilometer per hour. Here x kilometer per hour converted into meter per second, we would use x into 5 by 18. And when x meter per second is converted into kilometer per hour, we used x into 18 divided by 5 kilometer per hour. So let us understand the conversion related to this. So let's solve the problem under unit conversions. Here the first problem is that which of the following trains is the fastest? So there are three options. It's very simple to find out the answer. First we're gonna check the option A. Here it has a unit meter per second. So we will change into kilometer per hour by using the term 18 divided by 5. So 25 meter per second, which is equal to 25 into 18 divided by 5 kilometer per hour, which we get 19 kilometer per hour. This is nothing but option C. And next we're gonna check the option B, that is 1500 meter per minute. So here 1500 can be written as 25 cross 60. So 25 cross 60 meter per minute. Here 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So we have to substitute here. So then we get 25 cross 60 meter divided by 60 second. Here 60 and 60 get cancelled. We get 25 meter per second. And which is nothing but option A. So here option A is equal to option C and option B is equal to option A, which is also equal to option C. So all the options are equal here. Hence we didn't find which one of them is fastest here. And next we're gonna see the type 2 problems which involving only the formulae speed, time and distance. The problem is that if a train is 200 meter long, runs at 50 meter per second, then find the total time. So here we're gonna write the given, that are distance which is equal to 200 meter and speed is equal to 50 meter per second, and we're gonna find time. So here we can use the formula time equal to distance divided by speed. So time which is equal to, distance is nothing but 200 meter and speed is given that 50 meter per second. So we gonna cancel it over here. So we get 4 seconds and hence the time is 4 seconds. So guys, in the previous problems, we saw the type 1 and type 2 problems separately. And here we're gonna see the problem which involves both type 1 and type 2 variety. So the problem is that a cyclist covers a distance of 750 meter in 2 minutes 30 seconds. Then what is the speed in kilometer per hour of the cyclist? So as usual, we're gonna write down the given that our distance is 750 meter and time is 2 minutes 30 seconds and we're gonna find the speed. So since the time is 2 minutes and 30 seconds, here there are 2 units. So we could convert into one single unit. That is, since 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds and 2 minutes equal to 120 seconds. So the total time is 120 plus 30 seconds, which is equal to 150 seconds. So here the distance in meter and the time is in seconds. So the formula is speed equal to distance divided by time. So we could substitute here. So speed is equal to 750 meter divided by 150 second. We cross it over here. We get 5 meter per second. But the question is to find the speed in kilometer per hour. So we could use the conversion formula, that is speed is going to be converted into kilometer per hour. So 5 into 18 divided by 5 kilometer per hour. So we can cancel 5. We get 18 kilometer per hour. So the speed is 18 km per hour. So let's solve some other problem to find distance. So how many minutes does Aditya take to cover a distance of 400 meter if he runs at a speed of 20 km per hour? Here as usual we're gonna write the given that our distance is 400 meter and speed is 20 km per hour. We're gonna find the time. So here the formula is time equal to distance divided by speed, and here the speed is in kilometer per hour and the distance is in meter. So we convert into meter per second. So speed, which is equal to 20 kilometer per hour, is going to be converted into meter per second. So 20 into 5 by 18. We're gonna simplify that. We get 50 divided by 9 meter per second. So next we're gonna substitute these values in the formula. So time equal to 400 meter, which is divided by 50 by 9 meter per second, and we're gonna cross it over here. We get 72 seconds. So I hope you all understand this topic. Thank you for watching.